What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the battery status on your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Let's go. Alright, so you may want to check the battery status of your own device or maybe a device that you are purchasing. And for this, you're probably going to want to check the battery status to make sure the battery is in good condition. Okay, so usually we go to settings. Here in settings, you scroll down to battery. And if you scroll down, it's going to give you some basic battery information about your phone. It's going to say the battery capacity of your device, the battery level, and the battery status that it's not charging. But it doesn't actually give you a battery health check status. So how you do this is, first you have to hit, smash, destroy, or nuke the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Gotcha. So how you do this is very easy. You just go to the Samsung folder. Here in the Samsung folder, you're going to see this app called Members. We're going to select it. Okay, here in the Members app, we're going to want to go to Support over here on the bottom right. And then here in Support, we're going to see this option in the middle, Phone Diagnostics. We're going to select it. And what this does is it allows you to check any type of phone function, sensors, speakers, vibration, Wi-Fi, anything that you want to check to make sure that everything is in properly working order. So you can hit test all and it will test everything. If you want to just test the battery, you select the battery status here and it's going to automatically check the battery status of the device. So as you can see, this one is normal, life good. If you want to check it again to make sure, hit test again. And as you can see, it says life of the battery good. So it's a good battery. The only thing for this is that, yeah, you have to log in to your Samsung account. So if you're checking someone else's phone that you want to buy, have them log into their Samsung account or let them put in your Samsung account information for you to be able to check that device. All right, so that is how you check the battery status of your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you out. It really helps me out. Comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.